If you're looking for an easy side hustle or full-time gig to make you passive income, you're gonna love this one. Hey, welcome to Passively Ever After. I'm Cassie. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use AI to make seamless digital paper that can be like wallpaper or used for printables or for print on demand all over printing. You can sell these on Etsy, Creative Fabrica, and so many other websites where you can sell your digital files. So the AI technology that we're going to be using today is Creative Fabrica Spark. And if you would like to try it for free, you can check out the description. I'll have a link there for you to get 1,000 free ignites that you can use to practice making prompts and practice making these digital wallpapers and lots of other things that you can create in there with the AI. And I'm going to be making more videos showing you how to make different things with this Creative Fabrica Spark. So be sure to check for those as well. So let's head over and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so we're on Creative Fabrica. I'm going to go to my Spark tab. If you haven't signed up for the free trial yet, then you'll probably have a banner across the top that offers you the free trial of Spark. So, and if you use my link, you'll definitely be on that page. So I'm gonna go down to create patterns. And you can see I've been playing around with this a little bit. This donut one turned out really cute. And then this one has some little coffee cups with faces. That's cute. And then some coffee with steam. And then I got this cute Pomeranian one. So I think I'll try doing kittens for this one. So I'm gonna put cute baby kitten. Let's say detailed, very detailed, cute baby kitten with purple background. Now you can specify what you want the kitten to be doing or how you want its face to look, you know, like if you want it to have a specific kind of expression on its face. You can be as detailed as you want with these prompts. I usually start general and then I add to it to see what I need to add. Okay, so this is what we get, and these are weird. That's not what I wanted. I'm going to say a very detailed sketch of a cute baby kitten. I'm not going to do with purple background. Okay, so very detailed sketch of cute baby kittens. And then I'm going to choose one of these down here. So you could do like cartoon. Depends what you want this pattern to look like. I think I'm going to go with illustration for this one. And then I'm just going to click ignite. Let's do very detailed, cute baby kittens illustration. Okay, let's see what we get there. Whoa. What is this? If you get nothing else out of this video, you'll get a laugh out of it, I think. Okay, so I want to look at this closer. So if you use this little slider thing here, you can zoom out so that you can see what this looks like. And this seems very weird with how many arms are going on here. So that one's definitely a no. This one is definitely a no. Let's see how this one looks. That's actually pretty cute. I don't see anything super weird about it. So I think this could be a possible background. And then I want to look at this one closer too. Oh, these are cute. These ones are cute. Now, I do notice there is something a little weird with this paw right here. So, you know, you have to decide if you want to use that or not. But I think this one looks pretty cute. Now, another thing that we can do with these. So if you want to download this, all you need to do is go right here where it says publish. You can click on the arrow and then you can either publish just like this and it'll share your prompt that you used, or you can publish and hide the prompt, or you can generate a private download, and I believe this doesn't show it to anyone else, so no one else can use it. The other thing we can do is we can go to this little icon right here and it'll take us to the image mix and it'll create variations of this same picture. So that we'll try that. So the picture's already in here because I clicked from over there. You can also enter a URL from the internet, or you can upload your own images here if you want to. Okay, so it's given us some different variations here, so you can look through those and see if you like any of them. Some of these are really cute, actually. A couple of them have some weird things going on, but for the most part, I think some of them are cute. So like this one's got some weird stuff. This one has a little bit of a weird eye, but I don't think that's too big of an issue. This one right here is really cute and looks very realistic. This one's got a super weird face. Okay, so another thing we can do is we can go to our Spark tab and we can go down to Browse Patterns and we can see what other people made. So just scroll through and see if you see any patterns that you like. So here's a kitten one we could use. Okay, so some of these you'll go over the top of and they'll say this prompt is hidden by its creator, which means they did not share the prompt that they used to create the image. But like if you go over this one right here, this one tells you the prompt that they used. So you could actually use this same prompt and try to see what it generates for you. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to click on this one right here, open this prompt in CF Spark Patterns, and then I'm just going to click Ignite. So here's what it gave me. These don't look really like the other one at all, but these are still really nice. Like this one's pretty cool, this one's cool, and then this one. And you could also try adding some of these different things to it. So illustration, painting, watercolor, photograph, cartoon, or kawaii, and see what comes up for that too. So now I'm going to go back here, and the other thing we can do is download this. So see right here it says commercial usage allowed. So you can actually use this. You can't, I don't think you can use it for print on demand, but you can use it pretty much for whatever else. I don't think you can just sell the image on its own. So I'm going to download this, and then it will be a zip file. So you'll have to open the zip file and then extract the contents of the folder. Okay, so now we're going to go to our Spark tab, and then we're going to go to create image mixes, and then we're going to upload that file. Okay, so here it is uploaded. So we're just going to click generate, and we'll see what it gives us for this one. And now we got some very similar ones. So sometimes the prompt doesn't come up with something so similar, and then the image will help you get something that's more similar to that. So you can just download any of these. And so this one right here that they created, you can't use for print on demand. These right here that you actually created, you can use for anything you want. You can sell them. You can use them on your digital products. You can use them on your print on demand. Anything that you want to use them for. You can give them away for free. You can also use these patterns to make your own graphic fonts in Canva. And if you want to see how to do that, watch this video right here and I'll show you exactly how to do it.